Hello everyone, my name is Parvati Ramesh and I am here to show the prototype of our project Women Safety Smart Backpacks. As we all know, women safety is a major problem in both urban and rural areas. This project is going to solve the problems of the women and children who travel in public transport alone. Due to COVID issues, we were not able to go to our school, so we implemented this project from our home. So let's see our project.
Hello, I'm Natasha and I'm here to explain about the technical parts of our project Women Safety Backpack. In this project, we are using Arduino Uno as a microcontroller, GPS tracker to track this location of the person, GSM module to send the message, and button switch. GPS tracker and GSM module and button switch is connected to Arduino Uno. When a person is in trouble, he can click the button switch and GPS tracker will send the location of the person into the Arduino, and Arduino will send the message to concerned people through GSM module.
So this is how our back looks like. This is the push button, antenna of the GSM module, and this is the antenna of GPS module, and we are having a slide switch. By turning on the slide switch, we'll be able to turn on the hall system. That's the function of the slide switch. Then inside our bag, we'll be able to keep some books or all our important things. Then we'll have a small pocket in which we will be keeping our components like Arduino. Yeah, this is the way how we are keeping. These are all kept very neatly. We have our GSM module, GPS module, Arduino Uno, and everything is kept inside this pocket. And the slide switch. So let's see whether our bag works or what. We have already switched on the slide switch, so that means our system is on right now. Now let's press the push button. We have pressed. Let's see whether the message comes or what in our phone. Yeah, the message came. It is I'm in trouble, I need help. That's the message. Let's open it. The latitude and the longitude is also given, which means they have also tracked the position. So which means that our project is a successful one. I would like to conclude by saying that this project is going to solve the problems of the women and children who are insecure in our society. Due to COVID issues, we were not able to get all the necessary components. So we used button switch instead of fingerprint module. I would like to thank the ETAL mission to give us an opportunity, AIC IIT Kottayam for helping us to develop this project, and our principal and ETAL mentor for all support. Thank you.